The cement manufacturing process. 5 stages of the cement production process range from raw material mining to final product cement packaging. Included among them are 1. Raw material preparation process. Cement raw materials consist of limestone, clay, silica sand, and iron sand. The preparation of these raw materials involves several stages: mining, included land clearing, drilling, and blasting. Transportation and crushing. Large raw materials are transported to the crushing unit using a crusher, until they are reduced to a size below 50 millimeters. Long-distance transportation is carried out using a belt conveyor to the factory storage area. Prehomogenization. The crushed materials are mixed in storage using a stacker, to achieve a uniform chemical composition, before being ground in a grinding machine. Two, drying and grinding process. A mixture of raw materials with a predetermined composition is fed into the grinding process simultaneously. In this milling machine, the drying process reduces the water content, mixing, and grinding of the material into a fine powder, known as raw meal, which is used as kiln feed during the firing process. This process can be done using a vertical roller mill, or a ball mill. Homogenization. The powdered raw material is then fed into a silo, and homogenized to achieve a uniform chemical composition. Three, burning and cooling process. In this combustion process, the feed material undergoes several chemical and physical reactions, until it forms clinker. The raw meal kiln feed is heated in a preheater tower, where the initial drying reaction occurs at temperatures of 100 to 300 degrees Celsius. In the next stage, the material, which is mostly calcium carbonate, CaCO3, from limestone, undergoes a decarbonization process, or decomposition, into calcium oxide, CaO, and carbon dioxide, CO2, at a temperature of around 900 degrees Celsius. Next, the calcined material in the preheater tower enters a rotary kiln, which is heated to a temperature of around 1450 degrees Celsius. In this rotary kiln, chemical reactions occur that form the main compounds in cement, while physical reactions form small nodules called clinker. The clinker exiting the rotary kiln, at a temperature of approximately 1200 degrees Celsius, is then rapidly cooled in a clinker cooling system. The clinker exiting the cooling system, at a temperature of approximately 100 degrees Celsius, is then fed into a clinker silo before being ground in the final grinding process. 4. Finished cement grinding process. The clinker is mixed with other additives and gypsum, with a predetermined mixture composition fed into the grinding machine simultaneously. Cement quality is strictly controlled to meet quality standards for the type of cement being produced. Cement grinding machines can be used ball mills or vertical roller mill. Next, the cement production is stored in a cement silo before being packaged. 5. Cement packing process. Cement from the silos and discharged via bucket elevators and fed into cement packing machines or rotary packers. Many cement packing machines now use automated systems, such as loading bags into packers and palletizing machines, or manually loading to trucks. The bagged cement is ready for distribution to the market. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends. See you in the next video.